getting some free slot play. Hopefully. There we go. My big 30 bucks in. So we got 6 spins, $5 a spin. Really conservative. Let's make some profit on $30 in slot play. Old school slots. Here we go. Come on, 3 spins. Nice. One more spin. All right. We'll do one backup spin. All right. We're gonna take 20 bucks out of here, guys. Cheers all. 3, 4, 5 times double diamond. Let's see if 10 spins at 10 bucks a spin will be nice to old school today. Here we go. All right. Almost. All right, you know what? We're gonna spin it 2 more times, guys. One more time. All right. We're taking that $30 profit and we're running. Thank you. Cheers. Greetings all. Old school slots. Good old Haywire. 10 spins, 20 bucks a spin. Let's see if Haywire can be nice today at old school. Here we go. Thank you, cherries. 2 more spins. Thank you, thank you. Got 3 more spins, guys. You know me. Make it happen. Let's do 2 more spins. All right, wouldn't have worked. Bonus spin. Nope, not this time, but we're gonna take out a $100 profit and be happy. Cheers, everyone. Greetings all, old school slots. And a wild cherry. $15 a spin. We got 100 bucks in there. So let's see what 6 spins plus can do, hopefully, for old school today. Here we go. Let's see that wild cherry anywhere on the board. This is the last spin, guys. Oh, there's a cherry. All right, a couple more spins. Last spin again. Nope, well, 2 credit spin. Not this time. Wild cherry, you got the best of me. Maybe next time. Cheers. Greetings all, old school slots, triple diamond. 20 bucks a spin. Let's see if 5 spins will be nice. Here we go. Cherries are good. Keep me going. 2 more spins. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the hand pay. $1,200. Thank you very much. Triple double diamond. Woo! We'll be back soon. Cheers. What's up, guys? Waiting to get paid. Wanted to show you around a little bit. Can you believe it? Playing blackjack right behind me as I hit this hand pay. Mark and Gretchen from MG Slots 21. Can you believe it? They have such an awesome channel. I ran over there just to say hi, introduce myself to Gretchen, who I've never met before, and it was awesome. Mark and Gretchen came over, saw my hand pay, told me to come back over once I get paid because they had to, continue their session after the shuffle. So I'm going to do that. To be continued, guys. All right, all. Just got paid. Gonna do 2 backup spins, and let's see if backup spin can be nice. Here we go. Or 2. That would have been sweet right there. 1 more. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. Helps me out. I'll bring you some more action real soon. Cheers, all. What's up, guys? Old school slots. Yes, I am at a new machine, a Lightning Link machine. But this is a special play because I just had an awesome conversation with Mark and his wife Gretchen from MG Slots 21. Awesome channel, you got to check it out. They usually play these type of games, but they do play old school slots too, which is truly awesome, and their action is very large and makes it real exciting. Anyway, I saw them just after I got that $1,200 hand pay on Triple Double Diamond, which was awesome. They were playing blackjack. They came over, saw the hand pay, said hi. It was amazing. Then I had a conversation with Mark. Well, the family's waiting to have dinner, but he's still talking to me about all things YouTube, slot community, and just, cool stuff. It was awesome. So I said to myself, you know what? I got to play one of these games just to pay tribute to MG Slots 21. Maybe my modest $5 bet is going to do something. And if not, you know what? Maybe I'll go take a couple of shots at $100 Haywire, guys. Who knows? But let's see if I can't get a little hand pay here. Maybe that $9,370 major would be awesome. You know what? You know me. $500 minor would be nice. Or maybe a couple of minis at $100. Anyway, enough talking. Let's spin and let's see what happens. Here we go. $5 a spin. Because I am old school. I don't even know this machine. Don't even ask me about the pay lines because I couldn't tell you. I can just tell you that I need 3 of those dolphins. There's 1. Or I need 6 of these guys. And that will start the bonus game. So that's what I'm playing for right now. Let's see if it'll happen. And the mermaids are wild. But what I need is 6 of those pearls. Or 3 dolphins. There's 1. I need 3 of them. Come on, Lightning Link. Be nice to old school. Maybe you can convert me to the new generation. Bit there. $3 out of 5. Come on. Come on, bonus. One more. Yeah, got the bonus. Awesome. Let's see what happens here, guys. Awesome. All right. Start feature. Here we go. See, this is not me, guys. 6 games. Okay, I need a chip in the middle or her. She's wild. That's good. That's a cross. That's going to be something there. All right. $5. Nothing there. Come on, give me a chip. Halfway done. Got 3 games left. Show me that chip. Or the pearl. Yeah, that's it. All right, I got the game within the game. Mark, you might have converted me to the new school. I don't know. I don't even know what's... I think that's 20 bucks, right? Or is that $200? That's 200 bucks. Then old school is really happy. 3 spins. Let's go. Yeah, I think that's 200 bucks. I think I just won $210, guys. So I'm happy. I'm already a winner. And I'm sure all the Lightning Link veterans are laughing at this commentary because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm happy about that. I think I need 2 more pearls to get something. Come on, give me 1 at least. Oh my gosh. Is that for a grand? Seriously? Is this what the adrenaline rush is all about these games? I guess so. Let's see. Come on. Can we make it happen? It's gonna be a dramatic drum roll like it is. Holy crap, can I do it? Can I do it? Last spin. Bam! All right. Did I really win like 200 bucks? Yes, I did. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Nice. Nice. And I'm still going on the bonus. Another chip. Last game. All right, 9s. Guys, this bonus game paid me 310 bucks. I cannot complain about that. That was awesome. Look at that. $333 from 100. You know me. A couple of backup spins, and I'm going to take a little more out of here. That's awesome. Now I'm definitely going over. You know what? I'm going to go over with this $300 ticket to $100 Haywire and see if we can't parlay it. Unless this machine says I'm going to get a little more. But that was awesome. I'm got a hand pay. I'm going to take $100, turn it into $300, and I'm going to do another parlay after this. Hopefully. Or take a shot from my viewers. This is pretty cool, though. Mark, Gretchen, cheers to you guys. This is pretty exciting. It was fun. I see what the allure is. Love to see another bonus and 4 more spins. All right. That's 1. Here's 2. Nothing. Here's 3. And here is 4. Come on. Oh, that would have been sweet. But you know what? We're going to cash out that ticket, guys. Taking that $350. And you know where we're going? We're going over to $100 Haywire. Oop, comes out over here. Cheers, everyone. And cheers to Mark and Gretchen and MG Slots 21. Great channel. Got to check them out, guys. This is what they play. Lightning Link. They do play old school slots. And they are truly, truly an amazing channel. Cheers. What's up, guys? Old school slots. We are at $100 Haywire. We got that $300 ticket in from Lightning Link, continuing, and hopefully the magic can happen here in 3 spins. So let's see if it could be nice to old school today. We're gonna bet 1 credit spins and get 3 of them, guys. Here we go. Oh, almost. Number 2, be nice. Last spin, guys. Nope, not this time, but it was all good. Cheers, everybody.